I thought there was only one.
So many.
Thank you. Grab a pencil.
So I guess there's little unicorns inside of each one of these?
Yeah.
Different little unicorns.
Okay.
Come on.
They aren't hard.
They're not hard? Kind of a little sour. I like that. I like that.
What on earth is happening? Let's see. Let me see your face. Whatever. Oh, I'll open that. I'll open this first. Where's that pencil?
The violence.
Okay, let's build her. Let's put on her unicorn horn. Where's this thing? Hey.
You have to put on their horns?
Yeah.
That's cool.
What is this? Wings. These wings are so glittery. Okay, put them on.
I'm glad we saved them from the landfill.
It was a what? Yes.
Very cute.
Now,
Very cute.
what's this one gonna be? It was an egg.
Nice.
Oh wait! Oh, I forgot. This is the one I already collected. This is her.
Oh.
See? So we have. Let me get my manual. We have.
Oh, you got one here.
Her horn's glittery instead of the wings this time.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. That one was stronger. I don't want to kill her.
Oh, her little horn fell on your toe.
And her wings. Look how glittery that is.
That's cute.
Does this stick exactly in that line? You have to put them perfectly exactly how they want it.
Oh, jeez.
I can't lose these tiny little things. Get them.
You have quite the collection.
Now, let's sign her
Oh, look
up.
at her cute little
Wait,
horn.
let's sign her up. Where's my signer? Okay, so who do we have? Okay, we have Peyton. Wait. Did we sign her up? We need to sign her up. First the pencil. That one was 5 punches. This is cute. Oh, it's so big.
Look, a mouse?
Look how big she is.
Oh,
Okay.
they're so cute.
Where are her wings?
Right there.
Okay. Oh wait, we didn't even open our prize things on each too.
Look at that.
You can open this one.